Good morning. Today's the day. The arborists are coming and they're going to prune out the big silver maple behind me. We looked at this back in the summertime and we talked a little bit about the way it is leaning towards the house. We want to remove some of these larger limbs and we'll selectively take out some of the smaller ones. We want to also make sure that our view from the deck is what we want, not what they want to take out. I'm more particular about these things and hopefully it'll work out just fine.